Hey, what's up guys? Joey here, and today I'm gonna show you how I meal prep my eggs for the week. I use 1 full cup of egg whites, 2 whole eggs, and there you go. Then I mix up the egg yolks because I don't want them to be all runny when I'm eating my eggs throughout the week. So I cook the eggs lightly just until the egg whites are no longer runny and the yolks no longer runny. And I make about 6 of these for the week, Monday through Friday, some Saturdays and Sundays. Weekends I usually cook my eggs a little bit differently, and I'll show you that in a minute. So I put my Creole seasoning on the eggs just to spice them up a little bit. So good. And then I take a little baggie for each individual egg for each individual day. And I'm going to eat one of these every day with a cup of oatmeal. Here I am putting them in the baggies. And then I put the baggies of eggs into the fridge, and I will eat one of those every day of the week. So the weekends are just a little bit different. I like to spice things up a little bit. I'll make a fresh omelet by mixing a little bit of olive oil, cooking it up with a little bit of peppers and onions. We'll put some egg whites, a full cup of egg whites in with the peppers and onions in a bit. And I like 3 whole eggs over easy because I like a runny egg yolk over the top of my egg whites on those weekend mornings. It's so much fun. Okay, so it's my favorite part of this whole process. It's a Sunday morning, it's beautiful outside, we're going to eat outside. I love my Creole seasoning, it's so good, a little bit spicy, don't let it get up your nose. But I take my little eggs over easy, I get a fork, and I blend it, and I just mix it up like that. And then with my Ezekiel toast, there's a full cup of egg whites and 3 whole eggs in this one. So there you go. I also love this Ezekiel toast on a weekend morning. It's straight out of the Bible. It's got 80 calories and 5 grams of protein per slice. Put it in the toaster, add a little bit of sugar-free jam of some sort, strawberry, blackberry, whatever, and it's a great addition to my oatmeal and eggs and coffee. Take it up on the balcony, on the back porch. Enjoy it on a beautiful sunny day with my wife. We'll sit out here, chill out, and have a good time. It's a great way to start the day.